Jake. Well, it's Traveling Treasure, Ramblin' Dan Smith, and Jake. But take us a little walk. Still need to fire that thing up. Do a little work on it. And get this fired up too. Come on, Jake, let's go. Gotta go feed the sheep. Turn them loose. So it's gonna be a pretty nice day today, not too hot. Before long, it'll be too cold. It'll be all bundled up. Here. There he goes. He likes to run. He likes to chase squirrels and play fetch too. But, let's see. Well, our channel's doing a little better. I'm up to 91 subscribers now. Had one video get like 16,000 views. A little short. And got a couple long forms done pretty good. My son, he's got a blacksmithing channel. He does real good. I think he's got like 1,100 subscribers. He's the one taught me into doing a YouTube channel. But he posted one of his videos on my channel. He's really good at YouTube, though, making videos. Real good at computer stuff, which I'm not. Actually, he helped me start my channel because I didn't know how. I guess I'm one of them old people that aren't real computer literate or whatever. Oh, here's something I was wanting to show everybody. Now, I was born and raised in this area, on this farm. Right here. It's an old hand-dug spring. Of course, it don't look like a spring right now, but years ago, my grandmother, my uncles, and my dad used to come over here and they'd draw out water out of this old spring. Every Sunday, Grandma would do laundry. Have one of them old wringer washers. And Sunday was laundry day. But that's where they would get their laundry water from. But that was back in the 60s and 70s. So I just thought I'd show that. A little bit of stuff from my childhood memories. Like we have an old corn crib up here. A lot of people probably don't know what a corn crib is. But when I was growing up, my grandpa used to have horses, and they worked. My dad and them worked the horses. They worked the whole farm, plowing it up. Horses, cut hay with horses and everything. But they'd raise their corn, they'd put it in the corn crib on each side, and then that's what they'd feed their horses and stuff. But here's something kind of interesting. I can turn this thing around. That's an old well. This here's called a beller. And you bell the water, put the beller down in the well with there, and take a rope and you pull the water back up. That's what you use to, well, you drink it. You take your showers with it, or your bath, or whatever, and do your laundry and everything with that. Let me turn you back around. But yeah, that's the old well. Now this old corn crib, though, I don't know, it was built probably late 1800s, possibly early 1900s. It used to have wooden shingles on it when I was a little kid. Grandpa had the whole side of it covered in grapevines, and they'd get the grapes off of it every year. I don't know what they'd actually do with the grapes. So they'd probably make jelly and stuff like that. But there's the old corn crib. We still use the top of it for, like, there's some hay up there, and I got a couple of saddles up there, some blankets from where I had horses. But it's pretty rough shape now. We need to replace a bunch of stuff, try to fix it back up. I remember Grandpa had always horse tack in there, and he had always horse tack in there, saddles and blankets and collars and reins and all that stuff, from where they would use horses in their garden and everything. They had a wooden sled when I was a little tiny fellow, like 2, 3 years old, maybe 4 or 5. But we lived in the head of a holler. Hardly anybody had 4-wheel drives back in those days. But they'd take and go out of the holler, like if they go get groceries or go somewhere, they would take a wooden sled and a horse out. I remember sitting on that wooden sled when I was just a baby, along with my mom and grandma, and a bunch of groceries. They'd bring us back to the holler on a horse and sled. That was way back. That had to be early 70s. Grandpa never had a tractor, which me and my son both have tractors now. But, well, we are over here to sheep. I'm going to turn this off for a second while I get in there and let them loose. Jake, leave the sheep alone. He thinks he's going to hurt them. Herd them, not hurt them. I think they think he's going to hurt them. All right, Jake, you ready to go? Yeah, we still got a lot of wire to get up. Well, I should say my son and his wife does, but I'll end up helping when I can. I got those torn rotator cuffs, so I probably won't be able to do a whole lot. But just trying to put a little video together, and hopefully everybody will get something out of it. I don't know why, but those sheep, I don't know what they are, what kind of plant they are, but those yellow flower things there, sheep just love that stuff for some reason. But, I'm gonna head back towards the house. Gotta feed the dogs and ducks and chickens yet. So I'll get back with you in a few. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll be right back. Jake, come here. All right, hold up, sit. Give me a paw. Good boy. All right, go on. Go play, ain't got a stick, so go play. Jake, you ready? Go get it. Right in here. Here, good boy. Here, give it here. Ready? Good boy. He's a good boy. Ready? Come on, bring him back. Oh, ready? Oh, my arm. Can't hardly throw the stick because my rotator cuff. But he loves to play fetch. Slow down. All right, sit. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Now come on, give me a paw. Pick it up. Good boy. You see another squirrel, highball? Where's it at? Up this hickory tree? Is it up that hickory tree, Highball? Is it up there? It is. I'd say it is because there's hickory nut cuttings everywhere. Everywhere, ain't you, buddy? Let's go get you some feed. The duck's eating their food. I'll let them out here in a little bit and they'll probably go over to this little water hole, swim around a little bit. They're growing pretty good. Growing pretty good. Just found a little torpin. My grandson, he loves turtles and torpins and stuff. We have one we turn loose. He says, Papa, you see my turtle? So I'll put this on here. Eli, this might be your turtle. I don't know, buddy. I don't know. Oh, I ain't fed you yet, have I? Hold on. I'll put the rest of it in your pan in there. Pour out a little bit for them to eat out here. I'll put the rest of the corn and the lamb mash in the pan. Ain't been getting very many eggs here lately. 2 or 3 here and there is about it. I think we have more roosters than we wanted. I think most of them's inside, actually. These here look like quite a few hens out here, so. They're all starting to grow pretty good. Those little red ones and black ones there, the Rhode Islands and the little black ones. They were really small, but they're catching up. They're catching up slowly. Hopefully next year or this coming spring, we should have more eggs than we can eat. Recoup some of our money on the feed.